Hey y'all, it's Rashida, and I'm back to talk about Mexico City in the rainy season. So, a lot of people hear Mexico City and they think Mexico, and so they think Cancun, Playa del Carmen, Tulum, West Coast. No, no. Mexico City in the summertime is monsoon season. It's rainy season here, and that's very important for you to know if you're coming to visit. It rains 90% of the days. So I'd say at least 6 days of the week, maybe even seven some weeks, it's raining. And the rain varies from like cute sprinkle to flooding the streets. Like honestly, I was outside before I knew better. I was outside one day when it was gonna rain and I had comfortable shoes on, I had umbrellas, I was good to go. I was gonna walk somewhere maybe like half a mile away, maybe a little bit more. Um, about every block I had to cross from one side of the street to the other side of the street because the side of the street I was on was completely flooded. And then I'd walk another block and I'd have to cross again because there was no way to get across like the intersection because the intersection was so flooded. And I don't think that's abnormal here. I think a lot of streets are like that. So if you're planning on coming to Mexico City in the summer, so say from, I think it's June to September here, you've got to bring rain gear. Don't be a fool. Bring rain gear. I wrote a post about the most important things to bring. I'll put that in the notes, but I'm warning you. Don't think beachy weather when you come to Mexico City, whether it's in the summer or not. It is very high. There's a very high elevation. It is in the middle of the country, so there is no beach. It is literally like, I'm trying to think of a US city that I would say it's like. I can't think of any. The climate is very interesting down here. So in the morning it's warm, it's sunny, and even some days, the days it doesn't rain, it's beautiful here. And then around 6 p.m. every day, it starts to rain. Sometimes as early as 3, sometimes as late as 9, but usually every single day it's raining. It's very rare that it rains in the morning, but I'm here to tell you, do not come here expecting great weather. Summertime, fall, winter, it's going to be colder than you think. You should wear layers and bring rain gear. So this is my PSA. I spoke to someone recently who was bringing beach gear to come to Mexico City. Don't do that. Don't be that person. Don't. It's a big city. You're going to do a lot of walking. Bring comfortable shoes. Bring umbrellas. Bring raincoats. Don't play yourself. Do not play yourself. I had to buy rain boots since I got here because I didn't bring rain boots with me and I didn't realize it was the rainy season, which is what made me think I should tell all of you. So anyone coming to visit, rainy season, wet, every day. I don't make plans to leave my house after like 6, playing myself. Because if it's too rainy to walk, that means everybody's in an Uber. If everybody's in an Uber, traffic's already bad. It only gets worse. Horrible. There's the spinning studio I go to is like a 30-minute walk from me. A ride home in the rain the other day took somewhere between 45 minutes and an hour. At 45 minutes, I had to stop checking because it didn't matter anymore. Like I could have walked home faster than I drove home. I would have been soaking wet, but I would have been home. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you about Mexico in the rainy season. It's Mexico City in the rainy season. It's kind of a mess, but like when it's not raining, it's beautiful. You should be here. You should see it. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. I'll check it out, and I'll talk to you next time.